Hey guys, it's me, Orange Needle, back for another video. Today, I have a little something to show you guys. Sound moves from Crazy Art. They make this cool thing, this cool sound. Tell me if you guys can hear it. And I can switch the sound, but I'd have to exit this. And I can't keep on recording when I'm exited. So yeah, today was my birthday. I got them for my birthday, so that's the only reason why I have them. And also, my mom and dad are letting me have my phone just for right now, just for today, but not for tomorrow or 4 days after this. So in 4 days, I will have my phone back for real, and I can keep on making videos. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.